Hi, subscribers. Very good evening to all of you. Hope you all are doing good. Christmas is on the peak, then comes the New Year. So, just myself, I'm Sandeepan Chowdhury. I'm the country manager of this company, MART Private Limited. We are just a brief introduction about the company. We are a 3PL logistics company based out, headquartered in Bangalore, and having pan-India operations. And we are into multiple domains of this surface, that is into your FTL, that is full truck load for both upcountry as well as line haul. Then comes your middle mile for B2B business, stock transfer. Then your last mile delivery. Last mile delivery we are doing with both two-wheelers, three-wheelers, EV. Now EV is into market, transformation from fuel to electric vehicles. Then with four-wheelers, we are engaged with various and renowned companies, both e-commerce, then your grocery, pharma, food and beverages. And in Calcutta, we have our office for East. The zonal office of Calcutta is in East. And for AEMART, Calcutta is or Eastern India is the location from where we have started our 2W, that is two-wheelers operation. We are with both two-wheeler EV as well as fuel, conventional fuel bikes, scooters. Yeah, boys are doing good. We are associated. We have now plus 250 two-wheelers on road on a daily basis, and seeing our capabilities, capacity, and confidence level, the delivery order was given to us by the renowned customers for deployment of 2W. Boys are doing good, extremely good. Young, energetic team is there on the road, who all are doing day in, day out deliveries across length and breadth of the city and rest of West Bengal and rest of East with their 2W. Few customers are there where they provide the 2W for our boys to get it delivered. If anybody has new joinees, you can join